$1,000, yes. Wow, oh my God.
It's gonna keep going too, watch.
Whoa. Woo!
Yeah, this is the finale. He's the one who told me. He said all those thousands of fireworks equal 15 minutes.
I know.
Is that crazy?
I know. It is nuts.
My phone's dead. So I'll send it to you when I get back.
Alright, I'm taking a video still.
That's you're full of pictures.
No, I was able to delete some. Just in time to catch that last.
Some fireworks?
Just in time to connect. Yeah, just in time to get some fireworks.
Oh, come on. I was about to send some to Daddy. We can probably send that video to Daddy.
Okay, maybe. Don't touch my hair.
That's gonna work.
No, probably not. Guys, the B word.
The Brett is here, the B word.
Always. No matter what.
Whoa.
Oh, okay.
There we go. There we go. Happy July 4th.
Happy July 4th.
Independence Day, baby.
Yeah.
And then
America.
4th of July.
Yeah, 4th of July.
Free. I tell you, Sharon, this is a good spot we picked out.
Yeah, indeed.
Easy access in and out.
Oh, yeah, baby. Don't tease me.
I'm not teasing
Gotta
you.
sit in line.
Not you.
Oh, there's more Jeremy.
Whoa! There goes Jeremy. Woo-hoo! Yeah, he's put on a pretty good show. Wow, my God. I gotta say, quite impressed.
Watch these green ones. Watch this. Cracklers. Yeah!
Wow, it's
Woo!
almost going to be over, I think.
Almost. It's
Very
getting-
nice, Jeremy!
Woo! Whoa, there goes one. Woo!
It was like a rocket.
Yeah, that's what they are. They're rockets that explode in space or up in the air. Full of gunpowder and colorful stuff, so that.
Pretty cool, Xavier, right?
Yeah, I know.
Yeah, I know.
Oh, look at those over
Oh,
there.
I know. I'm getting them all. Man, we're seeing fireworks shows all over the place.
You have to go home and look them all on my phone. You know, look at all the videos.
Really?
Phone's dead.
Oh, your phone is dead, so you want to go home.
No, not now. After the fireworks are over.
I don't know when that'll be because they just keep going. Look, they're going and going.
Later.
We are.
We're gonna wait till the show's done.
Hey, he said later.
Get the grand finale going here, bud. That's awesome.
Whoa! Oh, I missed that one. That was a good one too.
I can your beer and cops coming out here.
I already finished it.
What am I gonna do about anything?
Just look right there. It's fine. Are you
Wow,
pretty much done?
there's a big one right over there.
Whoa, indeed. Ooh, my. Uh-huh. I don't know which way to be looking.
Wow, Xavier, watch this one over here.
Yeah, but then over there it's so much darker.
I think he had the grand finale already.